Check out these Renegade Industrial Carbon Pro Series blow mold creepers. Featuring a maximum weight capacity of 130 kilograms, these creepers also offer an onboard tool storage solution so you can have all your essential tools handy when working underneath the vehicle to store your sockets, sun plugs and more. There's now no need to worry about getting a sore back after 5 minutes of working underneath the vehicle, as these creepers include Carbon Pro padding on both the head and backrest, making issues with prolonged use a thing of the past. The low profile design allows for easy access under vehicles, and the creeper's 6 fully sealed ball bearing swiveling casters let you maneuver around effortlessly. The creeper boasts a trade duty polyethylene construction with a ribbed underside design, adding extra strength and durability, allowing for even more years of extended use. There's even added shoulder room for those overhead tasks that require some extra effort. These Carbon Pro Series Renegade Industrial blow mold creepers are a Trade Tools exclusive that boast trade duty construction, an ergonomic design and smooth gliding operation. They are perfect for your workshop or garage. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own at your nearest Trade Tools store or online at tradetools.com.